I will be walking you through the use of Affiliate Hub Builder, but before I delve into the full demonstration, I want to talk about why this plugin is a game changer and miles away from your traditional API affiliate store builder. We are all familiar with the API product imports method. What happens when you don't have your own API? This is when our plugin becomes very handy. Okay, I get it. You have APIs, but my question is, can you fetch products from, say, Amazon.com or Amazon.ca or Amazon.co.uk at the same time? Right now with our plugin, you can. Not just Amazon, it works with several others. Also, you can fetch products from your local marketplace that are not part of any affiliate network. Enough accolades already. Let's see how this works. First, I will click on the API settings so you can see several marketplaces you can fetch affiliate products from. We have two different import methods you'll use to fetch products, which are through API and through deep links. Via the API method, these are the marketplaces we support. Also, we went a step further with the deep links. We have dozens of other marketplaces you can fetch products from. Take Amazon for instance. With the API, you can only fetch products from one URL, say .com or .ca, or any Amazon websites you have access to. But with the deep links, you can fetch products from any Amazon marketplace, not just Amazon. We did the same for eBay and several other marketplaces. I will go ahead and click to create a store right now. To add products to our affiliate store, we have two data import methods, which are the API and the parser, which is using the deep link. I will go ahead and use the API now, and thereafter use the parser method. I will click on API and I will name this Test and Next Category. We can create categories from scratch, or we can select from the list of WooCommerce product categories we have created. I will go ahead and select WooCommerce category. Here are several categories we have created for this demo. Let's fetch products for bracelet category, and I will enter our keyword, say wooden bracelets. We select product and publish feeds, and I will select to fetch products from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Walmart, and I will click on search. Boom! Here are several wooden bracelets we can easily push to our store from different marketplaces we've selected. With the search filter, you can enter your minimum and maximum price range, your choice category, and filter your search. I will go ahead and select my choice product. Before I wrap this import method, I will do one more keyword search. Let's say wallet. And I will select eBay, Etsy, Walmart, AliExpress, and hit search. We can as well add VIG links. Like before, I will select my choice wallets I want to add to my affiliate store. And also we have another powerful feature you can use for your keyword research and premium product searches, which are the viral keywords research. We can search for any keywords, and also we can search for hot selling products from different niches, as we have here for Survivor, Nikki Glazer. Likewise, we can search for products that are trending, such as best-selling products, New Releases, and hit the search button to see what we got. Enough of the API method. Let's see how the parser method works. Next, I will enter my choice name and I will select my WooCommerce category. The next step is to fetch a URL. Our first website to fetch from is Wiggles. And let's search for running shoes. So we just look for our choice product and click on it and get its URL. We can add as many URLs as we wish. Let's make another search from Target on running shoes. I will select this and copy its URL and hit paste. Also, let's fetch link from another marketplace. Say Humia, and let's search watches from another category. I will click on it and get the URL. I will click on Save so you can see how fast it imports these products. Let's check now to see if they've been added successfully. Boom! You can see these are all the products we've just added. Also, we have an inbuilt currency converter that converts all product prices from different marketplaces to your choice currency denomination. Now I will go ahead and show you how our storefront looks. Before now, we have created some categories and subcategories from the WooCommerce product category section. And here are the products we just imported into our affiliate store. Let's do a quick test. I will click on the Buy Now button to see where it redirects. As you can see, it redirected to Humia. And if we have our deep link set up properly, we will get paid when a purchase is made. Here is another. I will click on the link and see where it redirects. Great, it took us straight to Walmart. Well, as I have demonstrated, you can fetch as many products you want without restrictions since Affiliate Hub Builder is integrated with WooCommerce and no hindrance to certain product imports. More so, we have other advanced features you need to take advantage of, like product reviews import, notification pop-up, which adds credibility and increases in-store conversion. Also, you can blog about any product or add products to your blog posts using our built-in shortcode. Furthermore, you'll be able to generate social media traffic from Reddit, Pinterest, Twitter, Medium, and Tumblr. Lastly, this is the best feature: ability to push your affiliate store directly to Facebook. Here is a recap. We have been able to use the two import methods quickly to push as many products to our store in minutes. We have successfully integrated with several affiliate e-commerce stores. We are not limited to just one Amazon store, but all Amazon-supported countries has been integrated. We have also integrated with eBay, Walmart, Target, Wiggles, TataClick, Best Buy, Etsy, Jumia, Snapdeals, AliExpress, Alibaba, Pepperfry, and hosts of others. One other feature we are proud of is the price and product monitoring built in. When there is a change in product price from any of the marketplaces, the plugin reverts accordingly, and the same goes when a product is out of stock. One of the reasons we developed this plugin is due to API product import issues. You are limited to certain products or categories. Also, there are certain products you cannot import from AliExpress. We have ungated this too. Let me ask this one question. Have you tried requesting for Amazon.com product advertising API recently? We all now know that more than 90% of requests are denied. Also, AliExpress no longer issues API keys. This led to the development of this plugin. I just love this tool. Let me do one last import. I will try to import this AliExpress product to our store. And I will refresh now to see how fast it was imported. Here it is, instantly. I will go ahead and check it out. Boom! Go ahead and take advantage of this plugin at this low introductory price today. See you inside the members area.